Okay, put your hands behind your back.
Don't
You're under
touch me.
arrest.
You
are under arrest.
You are the one that put your hands on me the other night, you mother.
If you start kicking, I have a problem.
I'm not kicking you.
On December 21st, 2023 officers responded to a Walmart in reference to a shoplifting in progress.
Stop moving right now. Stop moving right now. Put your hands on the car, both of you. Put your hands on the car.
Sir.
Put your hands on the car.
No, sir.
Put your hands on the car.
He has nothing to do with it.
All right.
Sir, do not put your hands. Do not.
Move.
Stop with that.
Do
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am.
Do
Put your
not.
hands behind your back.
90 speaking with the complainant.
I have nothing to do with this.
Why are you putting cuffs on him?
I have nothing to
Sir,
do
have
with
you
this.
spoke to Walt, the man that owns the store?
You're both under arrest.
I have nothing
No.
to
Put
do
your
with
hands behind your
this.
back.
I have nothing to do with this,
no,
sir.
no. That's against our freaking every amendment right.
Put your hands
I have nothing
Put
to
your
do.
hands behind your back.
I don't even know what's
Sir.
going
Put your
on
hands behind
here.
your back.
I don't know what's going on.
Do not touch him.
I don't even know what's going on here.
If you want to press charges against us, go ahead and file them and do them. It is against the law to put cuffs on us.
Put your hands behind your back.
I don't know what's
Right.
going
Put your
on here,
hands
sir.
behind your
I
back.
did nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I
Sir,
do wrong?
Put your hands behind your back.
sir, no.
Back up.
You're gonna hit me? Really?
Back up.
Mr. came in my room without my permission the other night
Came in
and
your
tried
room?
to
I don't
set
even know
me up.
Stop reaching in your hip pocket.
I'm putting my keys in my pocket, man.
I
didn't do nothing.
Do not touch him.
She said she
We are getting
Go
our
talk to
stuff.
them.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
Don't
You're under
touch me.
arrest.
You're
You are under arrest.
You are the one that put your hands on me the other night, you mother. And
I
I
don't
still
even
have
know who
bruises.
you are.
Oh yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You illegally came into my room and you put your hands on
Come
me.
here.
Stop it.
Don't
No, stop.
goddamn touch me.
Do you want to get
Stop. Don't
end up on the ground right
Did
now?
you know that you have FBI charges? You
Put your hands behind your back.
get in trouble.
You're under arrest.
You're gonna get assault. Stop.
Nope.
Put your hands behind your
Stop.
back.
You're gonna get assault.
We're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Please. Hey, stop. Stop now. Police, stop.
To let me go.
Let go. Let go. Let go.
They're both 10-11.
Let go. Let
They're
go.
both 10-11.
Let go.
Please,
Let go.
please
Let go.
stop.
Let go. Put your hands behind your back.
Calming her down. I did
Put your
nothing
hands
wrong.
behind your back. Put your hands.
I did nothing wrong.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you arresting me for, man?
Do not put cuffs on him.
I did nothing wrong.
Listen.
Hook him up now.
Get out of the grass.
Hands behind your back.
Doing anything. You. Hi, you're trying to calm her down. Like you did? You're cuffy.
Stop fighting.
You know I'm the Supreme Court Justice of the United States of America, right, mother?
Fighting.
Get a cuff on it, okay? Guys, it's okay. Now you guys did that to 20 years ago to me, and I'm sorry. Okay.
You're on your side. You're on your side.
She's a woman. Don't abuse her.
No, she just attacked me. Get away.
I'm not.
You're gonna get arrested for obstruction. Get out of here.
Yo, get back. I know her. I know him.
You got cuffs on you?
The only reason he went bullet for
I'm not. I got cuffs on me.
Relax, my man.
Okay, let me
Relax.
know.
Stop moving. Hey,
I'm sorry.
I dealt with you before. Stop moving.
Okay, I'm
Hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
You just got yourself aggravated assault.
What did I get the day? Don't you goddamn put my ass.
Up. Act like an adult.
What's the
You know
deal?
what?
I've dealt with you before. It's a
Wall?
problem.
Yes, you did.
I know.
Wall?
I'm not going anywhere. I got
Dude,
cuffs
hey,
on,
be
bro.
fair. Just stay with him for me, all right?
Come on, man. Like, it's hurting my arm.
Listen,
210-11.
after what you guys did to me
I'm not going anywhere.
the other day, there is no reason
let it on your mouth.
for any of this to be happening.
Bro, you just got yourself an aggravated assault in a lawsuit.
Can I talk to this sir right here? That's
guys
completely
all right?
against the law.
Check out 9. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where'd you get it?
In the face.
By
I'm good.
Her? Him?
Her.
What's that?
I'm good.
You sure?
Stop!
You're gonna get hurt.
Stop!
I got it. Stop.
Knock it off! You hear me? Knock it off!
Oh yeah? You men? You real big man? Huh?
Ah! My fingers are in the door.
What is your Problem.
My problem is, illegally come to my hood and stop me, pieces of
Hold on, relax, stop. Let's get... Bring her back towards me. She's searched 100%?
No.
I got her pockets in her jacket.
Okay.
Let me just get the top.
You better get my card, my phone. Not only that, the freaking NASDAQ and the
Could you shut up?
another,
Check the other side. Hold on.
another assault.
Check everything here? Yep.
Another assault. Another assault.
Is this side sure?
I need my belongings.
Good? 100%? All right.
Wash your hands.
Walk back.
I need my phone. I need
Good
my
for you.
key card.
Get in the.
Come on.
You're supposed to know how to act.
Get in the car.
Cyril.
Get in the car.
Do you remember how you did this last time?
Come on. Put your foot in.
Complete assault.
Put your foot in the car, please. Put this foot in the car.
I'm not ready to
Get in the
do that
car.
yet. Nope. You're gonna take me. I'm gonna rip my wrist apart.
Put your foot in the car. Come on.
I want my stuff. I want my phone.
Put your left foot in
I
that
want
car.
my backpack.
Put your left foot in that car. Come on. Watch this foot.
If you treat me like a
What's your first name? I've dealt with you before. It's been nothing but a gentleman. So
When
stop
you-
fighting with my officers. Put your foot in the car. Put your foot in the car.
let me sit up.
You can sit up. Put your foot in the car.
Yeah.
Just step back one second. Put
Don't
your
even-
left foot in that car. Put your left
I'm
foot in the
so
car.
sick of being illegally arrested.
Put your
I
foot in the car. Put your foot in the car. I'm not
My-
negotiating with you.
Stuff in my pockets. My backpack with my
You're under
medication in
privilege
it.
right now.
Put
You're
your
under
foot in the
arrest.
Now
car.
you
Get
just.
your foot in that car.
Get her foot in the car.
Are you gonna break it?
Put your
You're
foot in the car.
resisting my break.
This is how you guys did it last time too, right? And I had no charges. Imagine that.
This. Put your foot in the
You
car.
need to let me go.
You're gonna get pepper sprayed. Put your foot in the
You
car.
already did.
Put your foot in the
You
car.
already did.
Okay.
Stop.
You already did. You already did.
Put your foot in the car. Come on.
This is just a prime example of how much you assault me.
You understand you're catching more
For no
charges at every
reason.
point. Put your foot in the car. Your foot in the car. This is not hard. Put your foot in the car.
Yeah.
If you start kicking, you're gonna have a problem.
I'm not kicking you. This is our
We don't have one like
big cop.
Come on, wait, stop. Stop.
Where's the chief of police? Where's the chief of police? Where the f is the chief of police?
Kicking you? I got a taser. I'm North Display.
She's just not getting into the car.
Hey, if you don't stop kicking, I'm going to tase you. You understand that?
They already did 15 times.
Get in the
Nobody
car.
tase you. Get in the car. We don't
They
carry
already did
tasers.
15
Good job, bro.
times.
Do fair. Just step out for 2 seconds there. Do you have one? Come on. Sit in that car.
Oh my God. Don't
Sit
you
in
dare.
the car.
Don't you dare.
Watch where you're standing. Come on. Sit in the car. This is not a difficult concept.
Why in the world
Watch your feet.
should I get
Because I'm
in
telling
this
you to
car
sit in the car because you're under
when
arrest.
the
There's no
last
debate on
time-
this.
you put me in this car? It was illegal. Yes.
I'm the one that
You did it
arrested you
for
last
no
time
reason.
and you got out and no problem. Sit in the car.
They didn't.
Sit in this car.
That's nice.
Would you sit in the car?
No, I can't right now.
Why?
I'm trying to breathe.
Sit down. Would you sit in the car?
Stop. Do you see how calm I am right now?
Sit down. It's not hard. Sit down. Sit down.
Roger, get a full cage coming from speed.
Thank you.
I would just like to know why, yet again,
Turn around.
you are assaulting me.
I don't want to do
Oh yeah, keep fighting them.
it. We've already tried. If you got one, that'd be awesome.
You guys good? No one's, anyone hurt? Everyone's okay? Good. Do you want
I don't need medical at this-
EMS? No,
not at this
we're good?
point.
Okay.
We're waiting on the sheriff's office with a full cage car. Just stand by for a minute because I got a crowd of people to get him in the car. I don't care about his handcuffs at this point. Get him in the car. All right, our car is here. So, come on. You're gonna walk to this car. Come on. Come on. Go. Sit down. Sit in the car. Come on, sit in the car. You have hands, do it, and sit in the car. Sit down.
Both suspects were charged with shoplifting over $1,800 worth of merchandise, conspiracy, obstruction, harassment, and resisting arrest, while only the woman was charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault. What do you think would be an appropriate sentence? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.